Cozzo e mangiatela. Pasta with ragu.
Wow! See to the mass made by Adania. Our hairstyle. But get good, Gina. Wow. She just used peer strategy. So guys, see Ma is getting ready for her school end of the year dinner parties, but they are going for dinner this night. So she's getting ready, and then they just made her hair. Can you see? Oh my later, can you? So guys, hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Lucy baby, mommy vlog, base in Italy. So guys, today I'll be cooking tortellini for our lunch. So just 2 portions for Chinedu and the angel. Make you come here. It doesn't take time. Tortellini doesn't take time to cook. So guys, let me show you some of the things I got in the shop. We're already in box everything. This is my kitchen. All this one here for my kitchen. But this one goes to my room, for my cotton. My cotton. We just have this. Yeah, cotton. It's nice. Cab just clinically paint this. You know. What is fresh, you know. And also this for my kitchen. You know, in the sink. If you want to wash. Well, it's straight number. Yes, it's straight. I thought it's already too safe. Anyway, can you see? You just put it here in your sink. You know, that can you Elena block or a bena cipher. Even if they can use it in your bathroom, you know. But I bought it for my toilet. And the other I have these lights. I don't even know where I'll put it. I just order it. I don't know where I'll put it. When they come and say hi, guys, Angel is not feeling fine. Let me show you the right. Okay, there's something on it. Okay. This to charge it. I don't even like. I prefer battery. This one to pin it, you know, on the wall. Wherever you want to put it. I think I'll put it down here. I don't know. I put it here is too much light. You know. Maybe I'll put it down here in the center near the oven. I don't know. And here I have this behind the wardrobe. Sorry, my kitchen. Let me show you. Going to be like this. Let me just show you the something. Sorry, here. I'll just pin it here and put this. I'll put it here, you know. So that is how this one will work. Later I will do that. And the wash again. I have this, you know, in your sink, if you have dirty, if hair, you know, on your sink, you use this thing to bring the dirty out. For cleaning your kitchen sink or toilet, but I'm using it in my kitchen. Let me show you. Yeah, we just use it and bring the dirty out. And my water be fab like oh. So there's this. And the wash again. No, kitchen things is finished. Go for handpits. Pesudore. It's very, very good. You know, and this one is here. This one intimo. This one is intimo. For your bra cover. Oh, your man, yeah, so you don't need to cover. So there is it. And I also have this word. I don't want to show this one here, you know. This soft house. I'm supposed to do this one in my room. This unboxing in my room. So that is it. Okay. Let me eat my own tortellino because Angel, she's not feeling fine, so she just eats more. It's coming very. Tortellino, bon. So sweet. With pan. Questo tortellino di prosciutto. Just more panna and the prosciutto. Okay. So guys, I'm done sharing my soup. He's going to the freezer. Can you see? Offer, eh? Jesus Christ. Even Angel. How many times?